Hi, my name is M. Dhanashekaran and welcome to this database lessons video series. In this video, we will talk about uh, insert statement. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me select star from the table test 1 and you see the data in the query result box, and I am going to insert a user called test user. And before that, I want to make sure there isn't a user called test user. Okay, test1 where first name equal to test. Okay, so there is no user called test. So right now I'm going to run this statement, insert statement. Okay, so let me explain the format of an insert statement. Okay, so it starts with insert and then into where. Here sam dot test1 specifies the table name where the data would be inserted. Okay, sam is the schema, test1 is the schema. If you are writing a SQL, you can ignore this double quotes. Okay, and after that I need to specify on which columns I would be adding the data, right? I mean, there are a couple of things that are optional here, and I don't want to get into the specifics as well as the details of that. That's out of this video series scope. This video series is basically for beginners and uh, those who want to learn Oracle. So the next section in this insert statement is you need to specify on which columns the data would be inserted. For example, I'm going to insert a value to employee underscore ID. I'm going to insert a value for first underscore name. I'm going to insert a value for last underscore name. Okay, so I specified the list of columns in a parenthesis. Okay, and then I need to specify the values that I would be inserting. Okay, so I'm specifying the employee ID, this one, as 505, and the first name as test, and the last name as user, phone numbers, etc. So you may notice when I insert values, they need to conform with the type of the columns. Okay, for example, in the previous video we saw that employee ID is a number column. So if you type text here, it would not allow your row to be inserted. Okay, so I'm gonna run this, selected the statement, and then I'm running it. It shows 1 rows inserted. So now if I go and query this, okay, sorry, test. Okay, so there is a test user. Okay, and that's the row that I inserted. Thank you.